So I think it gives bunch of facilities which was previously used to be given by I think 2-3 different tools. Especially it gives rage clicks, dead clicks, how users are scrolling, and these data really helps. Like user is trying to click something, but that maybe link is not working, that button is not behaving. So these are all kind of rage clicks. If it is looking like the element is looking like a clickable activity, but it is not really going anywhere, then it is more like a dead click. User scrolling, which helps to understand how many parts of this website is actually, or a page which is actually scrolled by that user. Maybe there is a banner section in between, which where user might be finding it, okay, the web pages might be ending here itself. So it is giving all these session recording, which is helping. Also it is recording each and every session of a user, of a user, and maybe multiple users also at the same time. You can actually figure out where Google Analytics gives more or less a sampling data, where it works mostly with a set of users and then gives those responses. Clarity records anything and everything which a user is doing. Apart from that, the benefit of clarity is it is obviously it does not really load your website heavy, as in terms of speed it does not really hampers anything. It is free, it is Microsoft, so there is a lot of this trust factor also comes in the picture. They had started integrating it with Copilot. So Copilot gives its own insight on each and every session. So that is an additional benefit which is now coming with a clarity. There is an insight section for Google also, for Google Analytics also, but still every session insights is, I think, much more helpful as a developer, as an agency to us.